Here at Pearls Dental, we offer the most advanced technology to treat bruxism. It's a laser-based treatment which is performed on a weekly basis. Each treatment is 10 to 15 minutes long and lasts for about 8 weeks. Some of our patients have reported remission of pain for up to 18 months. We're proud to offer these services through our clinic and so pleased with the results we've achieved. If you have any questions about clenching, grinding or sore jaws, please give us a call or book a consultation online.